Yo, what's good, man? I need y'all to take a trip with me right quick, alright? I'm peeping a couple of YouTubers out there. They know who they are. Been having some figs and stuff going on. And they've been looking for some. Been looking for I think it was a LSU purple or something like that, y'all. Yeah. I mean, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. You already know what it is. You already know what it is. They may be small, but let me see if the is there anything still? Oh yeah, hold on. Let me check this out. Yeah, yeah, okay. Oh my bad. That's the LSU purple fig, as a matter of fact, y'all. I mean, damn. You already know what it is. So yeah, I mean, shit, they out there. I mean, they out there. I'll let your boy. You know, I'm just out here talking that good shit. But yeah, it's them LSU purples. And we are here in the middle of the map. So if you've ever seen me chop in inside of one of the lives, you probably know when I give that shout out who I am, what I'm about. You know what I mean? And we got business out here. We got that G-Code gardening business out here. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour. I ain't gonna say much right now. You know what I mean? It's just it's going down. It's going down. You know what I mean? They got me feeling a certain kind of way around here. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm just saying, man. We got the white strawberries. You know? Yeah, it's serious. It's official. You know? We got the purple potted peas. Yeah. This is just some of it. It's just some of it. Y'all gonna have me on YouTube acting a damn fool, okay? So that's just a heads up. But I ain't worried about this other little stuff. Let me slow it down a little bit. And we ain't gonna talk about this persimmon either. You know what I'm saying? We just ain't gonna do it. Let me focus on this here. It's a short vid. You just go on, holler at your boy. Nothing personal, you know what I mean? Yeah, jumping it off. I got the LSU purple, y'all. So, shout out to Lab Farmer. Shout out to Miss Christy Love. Shout out to the whole Greenhouse Lounge. Gardening Fan Bam G Code, Gardener's Code. You know how we do. I just had to respond. You know what I'm saying? I just had to do it. They small, but they hear y'all. So, yeah. Holla at me. I'm going to catch y'all on the next Greenhouse Lounge. You know what I mean? Y'all have a good one. Much love for the middle of the map. I love those who love me. All right. Holla.